Good morning. My name is Dr. Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about electrodialysis. This is one of the method in purifying the water. The electrodialysis is based on the principle that the ions in saline water migrates towards their respective electrodes through ionic selective membranes under the influence of applied EMF. EMF means electromagnetic force. See here, the electrodialysis chamber contains two electrodes. One is anode and one is cathode. The entire chamber is divided into three parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3 by using ion selective membranes. First of all, we allow the passage of raw water in three compartments. Raw water, raw water means the water contains a lot of impurities. Okay, hardness causing salts like calcium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium bicarbonate, magnesium sulfate, or any other salts. You know very well. All the salts have two forms. One is a positive ionic form and one is negative ionic form. Okay. After allowing the raw water in three compartments, compartment number 1, 2, 3, by using external EMF, external power supply, by using external power supply, we use EMF, we apply EMF to anode and cathode, which is attached to positively charged anionic membrane, negative anionic membrane. The anode is connected to negative ion selector, positive ion selector membrane. The ions which are present in the raw water, that means positive ions and negative ions, after applying the external EMF, they can move towards the positively charged ions, moves towards cathode. Negatively charged ions moves towards anode. Okay. If you see here in this diagram, the positively charged ion can pass through a negative ion selector because this one attracts the positively charged ions, but reflect the or repel the negatively charged species. Okay, here positive ion selector allows the anions only. Negative ion selector allows the positive ions only. So all the negative ions can move towards anode. All the positive ions move towards cathode. After some time, the total ions will be migrate towards left side and right side. That means in middle compartment you may not find out even though one positively or negatively ion. That means these are free from ions. But remaining two compartments, this one and this one, having more number of negatively charged ions or positively charged ions. So periodically we withdraw the pure water from the middle compartment. Similarly, we allow and we direct the remaining two compartments water into sink. Okay, right. You know very well the anode is placed near anion selective membrane while the cathode is placed near cation selective membrane. Anion selective membrane is containing positively charged particles such as quaternary ammonium salt and is permeable to anions. The cation selective membrane consists of negatively charged particles such as RSO2 minus and is permeable to cation. Under the influence of applied EMF across electrons, the cations move towards cathode through the membrane and the anions move towards anode through the membrane. As reaction, the net result is deflection of ions in the central compartment while it increases in the cathodic and anodic compartments. Desalinated water is periodically withdrawn from the central compartment while concentrated brackish water is replaced with a fresh sample. The advantage of this electrodialysis method is, you know very well, the unit is compact. The process is economical as far as capital cost and operational expenses are concerned. Thank you.